Hello there. Windy day today. Oh, Jerry, we got one down. Man down, man down. Ooh, it's a big one. Ooh, snapped him right off. That's okay. Look at that. How tall was that? 50? 60 feet? Ooh, that's a big one. Wow, are there any more? Look at all this debris. Uh-oh. Yeah, there's another one snapped off. The wind was not kind to the trees. Ah, be kind though, wherever you can. It's windy out there, folks. Hang on to something and just be kind to all you meet. That's all you can do. Let's just swing with the trees and we'll swing on out and see you next time we have an adventure. Bye now.